Hello dear researchers, welcome to BK School of Research. Here is Bijan Kumar to show you the tips and tricks of research. Today I will show how to estimate ordinary least squares OLS through Stata software. Before going to the estimation, let us have a look into the theory. Here is the theory, ordinary least squares OLS. Here is the specified multiple regression model is HWI equals del naught plus del 1 blah 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 and epsilon I, where HW means the household welfare. It is measured by an index and there are 8 variables taken in these regression models, and there are 9 parameters del naught to del 8 to be estimated, where epsilon I is a stochastic disturbance term. First of all, I will show you how many variables have been taken in this multiple regression model and how they are measured, okay, and their expected sign as well. In this table 1, I see there are 8 variables: age, sex, education, household size, occupation, land size, remittance, and per capita income. So I see the types of variable. Age is continuous variable, sex is dummy variable. So here you can see the measurement. Age is measured by the age of the household head in years. Its expected sign is positive, while sex is a dummy variable. It is measured if the household head is female 1 and otherwise 0, it is negative. So this means that if a household head is female, the probability of that household's welfare will be negative. This has been expected. Similarly, the education has been measured by schooling of household head in years. So if the level of schooling of the household head is added by 1, the level of welfare will be added or increased. Similarly, all this variable has been considered here. Let us go to the estimation. First of all, I would open the software Stata. Here is my Stata software, so I am going to open the Stata software, and the Stata software is now opened. I will import data. I will import data, text data delimited CSV. So I will click here and there will be a dialog box, and from that dialog box, here is the dialog box. I will click on the browse and I will find out my location of my data file. So here is my data file. Okay, I have clicked this one and finally open and okay. So I have all my data here, so I can go here to check my data. Here is the data. Okay, KIHW, it means Kumar index of household welfare. Here is the dependent variable, and all the independent variable are here: per capita income, age, sex, education, household size, occupation, land, and remittance. All these are explanatory variables. So let's go to the main form, and I will click first on statistics and then linear models. I will select the linear regression. Then I will select the dependent variable KIHW, and I will select accordingly all the explanatory variables. After selecting all the explanatory variables, I will click on here AC/robust. I will take the robust action and I will click on OK. So I have got the result. This is the estimation of OLS through Stata. So here is the number of observation 103, I've got F statistics, probability, R squared, root MAC, and here is the variables, coefficient, standard error, t value, p value, and confidence interval. So I see here some variables are significant by seeing why the p value and t value. Here remittance is significant, land is significant, and education is significant. So all these are significant. So how can we interpret the estimated OLS regression? Let us suppose remittance, right? In this model, we have considered the impact of international remittance on household welfare. So here is remittance is significant. So the result is, if a household receives international remittance, the level of household welfare will be increased by 0.1033631. It is statistically significant at 1% level of significance, which is shown by the p value, and it is also shown by the t value. So all in this way we can interpret the linear regression model. Can estimate a linear regression model and an ordinary least squares by Stata. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and stay connected with this platform, Big School of Research. Thank you so much.